Can you tell me what you did yesterday in English? Yesterday is over, but our memories are not. What if someone asks you, what did you do yesterday? Will you answer confidently? So, in today's lesson, you will learn how to talk about past actions in correct English, step by step, with easy language explanations. Okay? Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Congratulations! You have successfully completed all 4 present tenses. Now, it's time to begin a new journey, the past tense series. Today, we are learning the past tense of this series, simple past tense, also known as past indefinite tense. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about yesterday, last week, last month, or even last year confidently in English. So, let's get started. Before we begin, answer this question. Which sentence is correct? I go to school yesterday. Or I went to school yesterday. Don't answer now. By the end of this lesson, you will know the correct answer and the reason behind it. Okay? Simple past tense. It is used to talk about an action that started and finished in the past. इसका मतलब है सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का प्रयोग ऐसे कार्य के लिए किया जाता है जो भूतकाल में शुरू हुआ और भूतकाल में ही समाप्त हो गया. ओके, नाउ सी इट्स यूजेस. आई विजिटेड माई ग्रैंडमदर यस्टरडे. मैंने कल अपनी दादी से मुलाकात की. She walked to school every day. वह रोज पैदल स्कूल जाती थी. इंडिया won the match. भारत ने मैच जीता. So now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments. What did you do yesterday? For example, I played cricket. I watched television. I studied English. I will read some of your answers. Okay? Now come to the structure. Positive structure. First, subject plus verb, second form of the verb plus object. Clear? So, subject plus second form of the verb plus object. For example, she cleaned her room. उसने अपना कमरा साफ किया. They visited Delhi last year. वे पिछले साल दिल्ली गए. So what is the structure here? Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Okay? Now remember this carefully. Positive sentences always use verb second form. We can say V2 means verb second form. Okay? For example, go. Its second form is what? Went. Eat, ate. Write, wrote. Play, played. Visit, visited. Now come to negative structure. Subject plus did plus not plus verb, first form of the verb, plus object. Its negative structure is we use subject plus did plus not plus first form of the verb plus object. Okay, for example, he did not play football. He did not play football. Did not, this is the negative sentence. उसने फुटबॉल नहीं खेला. After did, always use the first form. Okay, now come to interrogative structure. We use did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object. For example, did you watch the movie yesterday? क्या तुमने कल फिल्म देखी? Again, after did, use verb first form. Okay, so here which sentence is correct? You have to tell me. She did not went to school. She did not go to school. Why? See here, because after did we always use what? First form of the verb. Okay, so which sentence is correct? She did not go to school. Okay, so just remember these three rules. Positive, we use verb second form. In negative sentence, we use did plus first form of the verb. In question, did plus first form of the verb. That's it. Simple past tense becomes very easy. Okay, so today we learned definition, uses, positive structure, subject plus second form of the verb plus object. In negative structure, subject plus did plus not plus first form of the verb plus object. In interrogative structure, did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object. In positive, second form of the verb, and we did first form of the verb. Now you have to complete these sentences. I dashed to school yesterday. She dashed a letter last night. Dash you watched TV yesterday. So write your answers in the comments. Okay, so today we have learned simple past, means past indefinite. Okay, so excellent to you all. Today you have learned how to talk about actions that happened in the past using the simple past tense. In our next lesson, we will learn past continuous tense and understand how to describe an action that was happening at a particular time in the past. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, My Voice Life Skills. Keep practicing English every day because small daily efforts bring big results. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Namaste. Take care.